Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best travel packing cubes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, TravelWise Packing Cube System. Another way to maximize your storage in the suitcase and save your stuff from all the mess is with this 5-piece packing cube organizer from TravelWise. Besides the vivid shades, these cubes highlight its durability that can resist tears and rips. The nylon fabric reinforces the strength, allowing you to pack as much as you need. Plus, it has a mesh design that lets your belongings or clothes breathe, thereby preventing any moisture buildup or odor. From the largest to the smallest size, you'll have adequate space to put away all your stuff and personalized packing system. At number 4, Veccan 6-set packing cubes. If you prefer waterproof travel packing cubes, this 6-piece set from Veccan would be a great option. These waterproof organizers are great to use when you travel outdoors and prone to wet conditions. If you accidentally spilled something in your suitcase, the waterproofing feature protects your valuables and keep them dry at all times. Made from nylon fabric, it ensures exceptional durability that can hold a ton of items and compress clothes without breaking the fabric. It is very resistant because of its thick fabric, allowing you to use it daily to organize your things at home or when you pack for camping or a business trip. It also has a mesh design for breathability, thereby keeping the clothes essentially compressed and free from odor. At number 3, Mossio 7-set packing cubes with shoe bag. Premium quality thicker nylon fabric, easy two-way YKK zippers and stitching, definitely most well-made and durable travel bag you ever owned. Large interior volume holds all your travel clothing, shoes, makeup, shaving accessories and more. Multiple mesh bags to organize and separate your item. Smooth material ensures that your clothes don't get creased. 100% save your time, space and headaches. 50% bigger than the normal size available on market. Make sure all your personal care belongings in a convenient place. Lightweight, water-resistant, portable, foldable, easy to storage. Suitable for family, couple or long-term travel. At number 2, Amazon Basics 4-piece packing travel organizer cubes set. When you need to pack for a short trip, you may find this 4-piece travel organizer cubes set from Amazon pretty handy. From small to charge, you can optimize the storage space and fill them in with your valuables such as undergarments, shirts, shorts, tank tops, and a lot more. Made of nylon, these cubes ensure durable quality that won't easily tear or rip as you load it up with your essentials. Each cube is also crafted with double zipper pulls that make closing and opening fast and seamless. And while the mesh top promotes better breathability, such design also allows you to identify the items in each cube. It saves you from all the chaos from packing and unpacking. They are also lightweight and easy to carry around. Finally at number 1, Begale set of 13 pink packing cubes. This set of packing cubes includes 13 packing cubes which are perfect for storing your travel items and daily necessities. These packing organizers are made of high-quality fabric which is lightweight, resilient, wear-resistant and easy to clean. Smooth and sturdy zippers. High-quality zippers make your packing organizers more safe. Double stitching can withstand long-time use. These packing cubes fit like a glove into most airline carry-on suitcases, tote, weekender, backpacks and duffel bags. Great way to keep organized for family breaks, business travel, backpacking, camping, hiking, RV, cruise holidays and saddlebags. Take one cube with you as a carry-on item to reduce weight on checked-in luggage. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.